Welcome to a video by Abron. This is slide warming table which is having a thermostat. The on off switch is there. The main current will tell you that the main power is coming. Load will indicate that the power is heating is going on. This is the thermostat. Now you see the temperature inside our city is almost around 10-15. So this is the 0 and this is about, you can hear the click, and then this you can put it on 30 or 40 degree or 50 degree, because the wax will melt mostly in 50 to 60 degree, whatever it is. Always use the thermostat in the clockwise direction. You can keep it on 65 degree, so the whole of the plate will be. This is a stainless steel top. Now on off switch on, when you switch it on, I am not connecting it to the wire since it's not a use. This is for power. You can connect, this is a load, and then the power can be connected to the main. This is working very easy. And slides which are for melting, you can melt the wax, you can melt the blocks, you can use you can prepare the slide on the Microtome, and after that you can put the slide here, so the wax will be melted and it will come. You can put a stainless steel tray on this also. Please visit the website, and we have got all the instruments of the histopathology, and this is abron01@gmail.com, and website is abronexports.com. This is abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 94160200018. Please visit the website and subscribe the channel and like the videos, share the videos for regular updates. Thank you very much.